Hello and welcome back to the channel hardreset.info, and today I'll tell you how to get free stuff on AliExpress. So first of all, let's start with a section that is called free gifts that is on your homepage. So I enter it, and this is a special area on AliExpress where sellers can offer you products absolutely for free. So here you can see a list of products that marked as free, and basically the concept is to select 2 products and they will be free, and for the third item you will have to pay. So I'm just adding 2 products to my cart just to show you how it works. Okay, so now the last step is to pick one more item to get those 2 items for free. So let me select, for example, this item. Okay, so now that I have my 3 items in my cart, I'm going to check out, and you can clearly see that these 2 items will be free, and the third item is I have to pay for it. And if I scroll down a little bit to my summary, I can see that in my case, instead of $6.65, I will pay only $1.21. So this is a really nice way if you want to save some money and also get some free stuff from AliExpress. And also another way, the second way how you can get free stuff from AliExpress is by checking out the section that is called Freebies and Reviews. But actually on my phone it is called a little bit different, so here it is. You can have that problem as well, so don't panic, just explore these sections at the top on your home screen and finally find this Freebies and Reviews section. So this is a section where sellers give you products for $0, and instead in return you agree to leave a review for this item. So here you can see a list of items that have been put up for this freebie and return promotion. You can select any product that you want to receive and then later review. But I recommend you to stick to offers with fewer applicants. So for example, for this item you can see that 27 people already applied, but in contrast to this item only 2 people applied. So just try avoiding this competition. When you decide which exactly item you want to receive and later review, you have to tap apply button, this is orange button, and then submit some terms and conditions, wait until you are selected, and basically receive your item and leave review for it. So that's basically how it works. That were the main 2 ways how you can get free stuff from AliExpress. I really hope that this video helps you, and if so, please like it and subscribe to our channel to see more content just like this.